The Furious Vibe is back with another exciting look at the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Motorhome, a perfect blend of adventure, technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Designed for modern travelers, this motorhome offers a balance of comfort, efficiency, and smart features that make road trips better than ever. Built on a modernized chassis, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is lighter, more aerodynamic, and more fuel efficient. Toyota has introduced hybrid technology to reduce emissions and improve mileage, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional RVs. Its smooth handling and enhanced suspension ensure a stable ride, whether on highways or rugged terrain. Inside, the motorhome maximizes space with a sleek and functional design. The living area includes premium materials, a smart seating arrangement, and an advanced infotainment system. A high-tech kitchen with energy-efficient appliances allows travelers to cook on the go, while a climate control system keeps the interior comfortable in any weather. Sleeping arrangements are flexible, with comfortable beds designed to fit solo travelers or families. Toyota has also added large windows and a panoramic sunroof, bringing in natural light and offering stunning views of the surroundings. Safety is a top priority, with Toyota Safety Sense features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera and off-road assist technology make driving safer, whether on city streets or remote trails. Toyota has also integrated smart home technology, allowing users to control lighting, temperature, and security from their smartphones. Solar panels and a high-capacity battery system provide energy independence, making this motorhome ideal for off-grid adventures. With its combination of innovation, comfort, and Toyota's reliability, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is a game-changer for travel enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments if this is your dream road trip vehicle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content here on The Furious Vibe.